Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Last time I had given a small tip on Oya for customer attraction. Last Wednesday's reading to be precise, and one of my student was amazed with the results. I will not tell you what she said or how was the results. You should try for yourself. If you want to see how it is, you can do it even now. There's nothing wrong in doing it. So let's just pull cards today. I had not shuffled the cards in the starting, so I just pulled out the last two cards and kept off separately. So today the first card which is come is the Ngame, which is desire. So maybe a day of desire, a day of abundance and happiness is what is in store for you today. And most some of you, I feel, are waiting for the right time to come. If you see here, I feel you're waiting for the right time to aim at what you desire and to make it successful. I don't know, when I'm seeing this card, I am getting a strong feel of that. If that is the case, just look at this card and imagine it is you, and you're ready to attack, and the attack in the sense, to fight for it. And the orishas and the African goddesses are ready there, waiting to give you what you desire, and in turn it will be a blessing which they will be giving you, and you will feel that things will happen. Now the next card which has come is Mami Vata. It is, though the card says naked, the actual meaning in this card is just be open and be ready to accept whatever is meant for you. Don't don't keep things in heart. When you need to plan, how you need to attack. The emotions inside you are actually making you take wrong decisions. I feel that is the nakedness here. You are not able to use your healing mind, you're not able to use your clairvoyance level. You're just stuck and you're vulnerable right now. So just tell that I am strong, I am brave, and the goddess is with me. I will fight for my rights, and I will talk or do things that has to be done in order to be happy and successful in life. This you should say 21 times today. I feel the color should be red. You all need a lot of strong energies around you. So I hope you all enjoyed this month all the hoodoo small tips which I gave. And those who want to join hoodoo, it's happening in September. It happens usually online and offline. In Chennai it happens in September, so you can let me know. I would love to share the details with you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.